What's up, YouTube? It's your boy MJ the Sports.
Game!
Now, I know y'all wondering why I got this flashlight in my hand. And the only reason for that is because, like, it's dark outside, it's no lighting, and I don't have any of those, like, lighting barriers. So, I'm just using my resources. Okay? We are going to be testing how smart we are. And to see how smart we are just gonna do some type of video, some type of test. So, yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, I think it's gonna be 10 questions. So, yeah, let's just get into the video. Hey
everyone, and welcome back to Trend Central. Now what I have for you in today's video are 10 questions only a genius can answer. Basically, in this test, there will be 10 questions that will trick your brain in different ways. Now if you like these videos, then make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Now if you did subscribe to the channel, then leave a comment saying I subscribed, as a few lucky comments will be winning an Amazon gift card. But anyway, let's begin today's video. Number 10. Let's start out this test with an easy question. Look at this picture filled with cartoon elephants and try to find the odd animal out. I'll give you 10 seconds to find. However, you should see it almost instantly.
Too easy out here. Too easy out here. It's to the right. That's all I'm telling y'all. It's to the right.
Just in case you don't find it, the panda is marked in red. Number 9. Study the image you see on screen and try to determine which tank will fill up first. You have 30 seconds to answer, however, pause the video if necessary due to the complexity of the question.
Well, you see like the little pipe things, the water from 1 is going to fall into 2, and next the little pipe thing from 2 going to fall into 3, so it's going to fill 3 and 4. So I think it's 3 and 4.
Tank 3 and 4 will fill up first. Since the connector pipes leading out of tanks 1 and 2 are located at the bottom of the tanks, they won't start filling until tanks 3 and 4 are filled, which is why tanks 3 and 4 will both be filled at the same time. So once those tanks are filled, tank 2 will be filled completely, and then tank 3. Number 8. Here's a tricky riddle. What's filled with T and starts and ends with T? You have 15 seconds to answer.
T. Tabletop. Never mind.
The answer is a teapot. Although some people may have guessed it, there will be many people confused by this question. However, here's how to work your way around it. A teapot is filled with tea. It starts with the letter T and also ends with the letter T. Number 7. How many F's can you see in this sentence? I'll give you some time to read it.
Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Was your answer 4 or 5? Well, if it was, then you're unfortunately wrong, as there are in fact 6 F's in this sentence. The reason why you most likely counted less than 6 is because our brain oftentimes skips words such as scientific as it's placed on 2 lines. Number 6. How many cubes make up this structure? You have 20 seconds to count, so if possible, try not pausing the video.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's for the back. Now from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 9 cubes.
The answer is 9. If you didn't get that number, it's because only 6 cubes are visible. But assuming the structure exists under the normal circumstances of Earth's gravity, in order to hold its shape, there must be at least 3 more cubes to hold up all the cubes. Number 5. As it says in the picture, try to find the mistake hidden in this image. You have 10 seconds to find it, so try not to pause the video.
Alright. 1, 2. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, violet, indigo. Some with the rainbow.
If you were looking for the mistake in the numbers, then you couldn't possibly have found the mistake, as the mistake is in fact in the word mistake in the sentence under the numbers. The reason why you most likely checked in the numbers
snap.
first is because our attention is taken
I
off
didn't
the
even
sentence
see
the
that.
second we read it, due to there being a command. Number 4.
Right.
Here's a page full
There you
of
go,
O's. However, within all those O's, there is the letter C hidden. Can you find it in 15
all
seconds?
I'm telling y'all is at the bottom. Well, I'm just saying it's to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. To the right,
Just
to
in
the
case
right,
you
to the
haven't
right,
found
to
it,
the
it's
right,
marked in red. Now, if you did find it in the first few seconds
Told you
or
we got it right.
instantly, then it means you're a very observant person and you can easily distinguish patterns. So if you did find it quickly, then give yourself a pat on the back. Number 3. Here's a tricky riddle which till this day many people still get wrong. Now there could be multiple answers, however try the answer with the most obvious one. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? You have 15 seconds to answer.
What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? Towel? I don't really know. A towel?
The answer is a towel, because the more you use a towel to
Oh.
dry yourself, the more water it absorbs from your body. Because to dry someone, it needs to get wet in the
You already know I'm
process.
too smart for this, bro. Too smart. Too smart.
Number 2.
Too smart.
Read all these words out loud. Loast, coast,
Oh, I heard
roast,
this, but I
ghost,
never-
host,
Loast, coast,
Woast,
roast, coast, host,
post,
woast, post, quote,
quost,
nose, boast.
nost, boast.
Okay, I said
Now
it.
quickly, what do you put in a toaster? Answered
Roast,
toast?
roast, roast, roast.
Well, you're not alone, as
Bread.
most people will answer
Put in
toast
bread.
after
Trying to
hearing
trick
words
me.
with a similar
Trying to make
sound.
me say
However, the
toast.
answer is in
Ain't
fact
getting me with
bread.
that. Nope.
This question shows how easy it is for the brain to be manipulated.
I knew it.
Number 1.
All right, next one, baby.
Read this sentence you see in the triangle. It says Paris in the spring,
Paris
right? Well,
and
unfortunately, not if you take a closer look at it. You will
say
notice
Paris in
there
the
are
spring.
2 thes in the sentence,
Yep.
and the reason that you probably
Oh,
didn't notice it
never
at
mind.
first
Oh,
is
it
because
says
our
Paris
brain
in the
connects
spring.
words into
I
sentences
ain't dumb.
faster
See,
than
look.
we can read.
I'm not dumb, bro. I'm not dumb. All right, I just had a little shiver there. It's real. So y'all, as I always say, stay fresh, stay smooth. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy MJ the Sports Game. Now for today's video, we are going to be reacting to